I'm Jack Rogers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these candy cane stocking cookies, iced with royal icing. This is my first time making cookies and I'm super excited, so let's get started. For these cookies, I got this recipe book and it had this sugar cookie recipe, so I decided to try it. And at first they browned a bit, but I just turned the heat down and they came out no browning at all, which is perfect. And I have two royal icing colors, one red and one white. And these are going to be the border consistency, and then these are going to be the flood. The way I'm going to make these cookies today is I'm going to border the cookie with the border icing, and then I'm going to fill it in with the flood just to make sure it doesn't go everywhere. So I'm going to start with the stocking. So that's gonna be a border. I'm gonna pipe a bunch of these borders on all the stockings, and then once they dry, we'll fill them in. The border's now dried, so now we're gonna fill it in with the flood consistency. And I have some toothpicks here to just smooth it out.
Yeah, we are. You feel that cookie, Jack? Sorry.
Now it's time to do the red part of this. Don't know why I just said it like that. All right, time to flood them. Now I'm going to pipe dots. I'm only going to do it on every other one, I think, because I want some variation, you know, diversity. I just made more icing for these candy canes. Now we're gonna do the same thing, except with the candy cane. But, as you know, candy canes are stripes. I'm going to outline with the white, fill in with the white, let that dry completely, and then I'm gonna pipe the red on top. So let's do it. So I just finished flooding. I'm tired. I just finished flooding all the, I just finished flooding all the candy canes with the white, as you can see. And now I'm gonna wait for them to fully dry. Like, see how these is like, I can touch it. Nothing's happening. We want that because we don't want them sinking in when we pipe the stripes. Because notice how these were still a little bit wet when I piped these dots and they kind of sunk in. Not kind of, they did sink in. And that looks good for these, but I don't want that to happen for these. All right, now, as you can see, they're like completely dry. We're going, oof, I'm nervous for this part. We're going to pipe the red candy cane. Oops. Now I'm gonna repeat that with all of the rest, and then once it's dried, we'll fill them all in with the flood consistency. Thank you so much for watching me make these cookies today. It was my first time making sugar cookies and decorating them with royal icing, and it turned out so cool, so I'm definitely gonna do it more with different things throughout the year. So let me know what else you want me to do, what other cakes or cookies you want me to make next. I'll see you next Sunday.